everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a pack with me. I've never really done one of these before on my channel. It is a little bit different than my regular packing videos, but I thought I changed it up just a little bit. Now I am packing this up just to go out a few hours with the kiddos. If you don't already know, I have a 17-month-old and a 2-year-old. So before this intro gets any longer, let's just jump right into the video. So I am using my Hobobe in Perky Toki. I absolutely love the Hobobe. I did attach the sporty strap to it, and then I just changed the little foam strap here and I added this one so it would coordinate a lot better. I'm gonna pack the front of the Hobobe first with all my mommy things. Let's see. So right now I'm using a coin purse as my wallet. So I'm just gonna stick this on the little key leash back pocket along with the eyebrow pencil. I have this cord here that I use to charge my phone. I'm going to stick that in this side mesh pocket right here. Okay, I also have some Tylenol pills. I'm gonna stick those in the back there. Then I have hair tie also going in that back zipper pocket. Have an eyebrow razor, put that back there. I'm gonna clip this onto the key leash. Let's see. I'm going to add my fob. I'm gonna stick it on this one here. No, I'm gonna stick it to this one over here. Love the way how it matches Perky Toki. I think it just looks so cute. So for now, that is going to be it. I guess I'll add the sippy cups to the side. I also have some hand lotion. I'm gonna stick it right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick the Tylenol in this zipper pocket. Stick these other pills in there as well. And then for this back zipper pocket, I'm gonna stick 2 snacks in there for the kiddos. The silicone mat in there as well. And I'm going to add some bibs in there for them. So that'll be like a restaurant pocket. Okay, I do have a change of clothes for my youngest. This is size 18 months. I could probably add a change of clothes for my 2-year-old, but I don't want to go into his room because that's where the baby is sleeping right now. I'm just gonna put these at the bottom. I feel like it works better if you tuck them in at the bottom versus putting them on the side or any of these mesh pockets. In this mesh pocket is where I'm gonna put the to-go spray, the hand sanitizer, and the wet ones. So we have the diapers. And I'm gonna stick these in this pocket. Probably should have put these first, but that's okay. We'll make it work. Just scoot this over a little bit. I'll put the diaper rash cream in here too. I also have the light change pad. I'm gonna stick it in where these diapers are at. Just put the wipes in here. I did have some extra wipes since I was using a mini B before this. And I had these inside the large set piece. So I'm just not going to add these in there. Mini wipe pouch with boogie wipes. I'm just gonna stick right here in the middle as well. And then I have a Ritzy shopping cover. I'm just going to roll this up. So this, I'm gonna stick it right here in this mesh pocket. And then just close it up. So that is basically everything that I had in my mini B. And I put it inside the Hobobe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.